So if you're a size small, go up. If you're a size medium, stay where you are. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So in this video I'm going to be featuring this hair I picked up from Hergivenhair. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay you guys, so this is how this unit looks like on me. I honestly love how it looks. It's 100% human hair, feels really soft after I washed it. I love the packaging and I love how it looks on me. I'm just gonna be honest with you guys. Before I bought this unit, I had watched tons and tons of videos here on YouTube about Hergivenhair, and I had to go ahead and place an order for a lace front wig. When I received this, and I must say the hair is really pricey. When I received this unit, I'm a size small and I placed an order for a size small. When I received this unit, the hair didn't even fit up to my hairline. I wrote to the company and told them everything about it, and they requested for pictures. I sent a picture, like a couple pictures and a video, just for them to see that the hair is in perfect condition. So now they were like I should go ship the hair back to them. After I sent the tracking number and everything to them, they were like they're gonna deduct some money before they make a refund to me. And I was like, why? They were like, it was for something like service something, and I was like, what are you talking about? I paid for shipping. Like, you charged me for shipping before you shipped the hair to me. What am I paying a shipping for? I'm already going to pay for shipping when I get to UPS. I don't understand what you're trying to tell me. And they were still trying to say something. At that point, I was so upset. I was like, just withdraw whatever you want to like keep and send my money back to me. So they made the refund when they received the hair, which was 3 days after I made the shipping. I went to their website. Their lace front wigs are all sold out. The one they had at the time was a 16 inches. I don't really like short hair. It's only a few times I wear it. So I didn't even bother to spend money on a 16-inch lace front wig if it's that price, which is like $400+ dollars. I prefer to spend $500+ for a longer wig than a shorter wig. Since they didn't have a lace front wig, I had to go back to shop for a headband wig. But before I did that, I went to her Natural Mary, I think that's what she calls herself on YouTube. I went and watched a lot of her videos, like the playlist. So after watching her videos and other YouTubers videos, I went ahead and placed an order for this unit right here. And this time I picked up a medium because I didn't want to go through the process of what I had gone through before. This time when I placed an order, when they were processing the shipping to me, she sent an email saying they would not be accepting any returns for this unit if I receive it this time. As if it was my fault that the first one was not my size. So, sorry, I'm checking if my camera is recording because I'm doing this for the second time. So I had to I ignored the message because at that time I was sure that the unit was going to be my size. So when I received it, since she sent the email, I tried it. The band was long. I was like, okay, no problems. I just went ahead and washed it. At that point, I already felt disappointed. Like, I felt I was ripped off because I just literally spent almost $500 for a unit that is not even my size. So what do I do with this? I was just asking myself a lot of questions. How am I going to send this back? Who am I going to sell this to? Like, it was just a lot of confusion at the time for me. But I was like, you know what? You just like calm down. You're going to make it work, which is the reason why I'm filming this video. So if you see from the clip, the band was too long. I've got space in the middle, like at the back of the hair, which means if I have to do like a high bun, there would be that huge space that I would not want to deal with. which is the reason why I got so mad. Now I have to cut the lace, sew it up, try to adjust the unit to my head size, and still sew it up all by myself. I wrote the company and they were like, hey hon, this, and if you were watching, I'm that person. So I just want to put it out there. If you're getting hair from this company and you're a size small, be sure to size up. If you're a size small and you want to get a headband wig, don't be like me. Don't make the same mistake I made. Go ahead and get the size small wig, because the size small wig, you're literally fixing it from like not your hairline but at the back, so it could fit. I'm not 100% sure, but this one I picked up does fit my head. I would only have to do a little bit of work on the hair to get the hair to like fit perfectly well, so I can do my high bun and everything will be fine. Exception of that, the hair is 100% human hair. As I stated before, it does feel good. I love this hairband because from afar it looks like the hair is growing from my scalp, which is one of the reasons why I love this unit. There's a YouTuber here I actually just discovered when I was trying to shop for this unit. She made a comment about the sizing, and immediately I heard her mention about the sizing, I had to subscribe to her because she tells the truth, and everyone else I've been watching did not say anything about sizing whatsoever. They were only saying the hair is good, you would love it, it's human hair, go ahead and buy it. She was the only one who mentioned something about sizing. I'm gonna leave the handle of her like the name of her channel on the screen. I'm a small YouTuber, she's a big YouTuber. If you're watching this video, well, thank you for being so honest about this unit. Yes, the sizing is off, and I'm gonna say it again. The sizing of this unit is off, and the lace front wigs is off. So if you're a size small, go up. If you're a size medium, stay where you are. Size large, stay where you are. Because my thing is, if you're making wigs and you want to sell it for $400, $500, $600, whatever dollar, like my thing is, if it's a $400+ wig that I'm paying for, that wig has got to be 100% perfect, like perfect, all caps. I won't be spending that much on a unit, and I would be the one to sew up some, of cut up some, or fix up some. I would not be doing your job if I'm paying you for a unit. That's my thing. Okay, so that's about it. If you find this video helpful, please leave me a comment down below, like, and as always, don't forget to stay safe, stay beautiful, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.